Most people think financial IQ is about knowing stock tickers or reading balance sheets. It's not. It's about how your brain is literally wired. And neuroscience says most people have no idea their brain is working against their wallet right now. Financial IQ isn't a test score. Researchers at Princeton found that money decisions are driven by two competing systems in your brain: the limbic system, which craves the now, and the prefrontal cortex, which thinks in years, not seconds. People with high financial IQ aren't more disciplined than you. Their prefrontal cortex just wins more often. And there are very specific behaviors that reveal which system is running your financial life. Here are 7 signs. And stay for sign 3 because it's the one that separates the people who build wealth from the ones who just make money. Sign 1. You pause before spending. People with high financial IQ don't pause because they're cheap. They pause because their prefrontal cortex is physically overriding a dopamine hit. A 2015 study from the University of Oregon found that people with stronger prefrontal limbic connections made better financial decisions, not because they thought harder, but because the pause happened automatically. You don't force it, it just happens. If a purchase above a certain amount makes you instinctively stop, that's your brain working correctly. Sign 2. You think in percentages, not dollars. Quick mental test. You earn $60,000 a year, you're about to spend $600. Do you think that's $600? Or that's 1% of my annual income? People with high financial IQ automatically convert to proportions. Behavioral economist Richard Thaler, Nobel Prize-winner, called this mental accounting. His research showed that people who think proportionally make dramatically fewer impulsive purchases. Your brain defaults to absolute numbers. Overriding that? That's sign 2. Okay, this is the one most people fail, and I want to be specific here. Neuroscientists at Stanford found that when people with healthy financial habits think about taking on debt, the anterior insula activates. That's the same brain region that fires when you smell something rotten. It's a disgust response. People with low financial IQ, they feel the opposite. They get a dopamine hit when they swipe a credit card. Their brain treats debt like a reward. If going into debt genuinely unsettles you, not because someone told you it should, but because your gut reacts, that's your insula working exactly as it should. Sign 4. You separate emotion from financial decisions. This doesn't mean you're cold. It means when you're angry, sad, or riding a high, you don't make major money moves. Columbia Business School researchers found that people who waited just 24 hours after an emotional event before making a financial decision were 31% more satisfied with the outcome. Your emotional state literally rewires the brain circuits processing your choices in real time. If you've ever said, "let me sleep on it" before a big financial decision, that's not hesitation. That's intelligence. Sign 5. You track without obsessing. Most people either obsess over every cent or avoid their finances entirely. High financial IQ is awareness without anxiety. You know roughly what's in your accounts. You're never surprised by your balance. A 2020 study in the Journal of Financial Therapy found this financial mindfulness is one of the strongest long-term predictors of wealth. Just awareness. Sign 6. You measure wealth in net worth, not income. Ask most people how they measure financial success. Salary. Ask someone with a high financial IQ. Net worth. And these are completely different games. Income is a river. Net worth is what you actually keep. Warren Buffett has said it outright. The moment you stop measuring what you make and start measuring what you keep, everything changes. Sign 7. You're comfortable not knowing. Last one, and this surprises people. High financial IQ doesn't mean a perfect 10-year plan. It means being comfortable with uncertainty. Behavioral finance researchers call it ambiguity tolerance, the ability to make confident decisions without needing complete information. Most people freeze when markets drop or income changes. High financial IQ means you have systems, not certainty. An emergency fund, a risk tolerance, non-negotiables. You don't predict the future, you just prepare for it. But here is what nobody tells you. None of these signs are fixed. Every single one of them is a learned neurological pattern. The prefrontal cortex is one of the last brain regions to fully develop. It's still rewiring itself into your late 20s and beyond. The insula's disgust response to debt You can train it. The automatic pause before purchases? You can build it. Financial IQ isn't something you're born with. It's something your brain develops. And the fact that you're watching a video like this means your prefrontal cortex is already winning. Here's your one action for today. Pick the sign from this list that you feel weakest on. Just one. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this shifted how you think about money, subscribe. We break down the neuroscience behind your financial decisions every week. Your brain is trainable. Let's train it.